type of questions. In this type of question, you will be given either a word or a number, and you will be asked to find the rank of that word or number. For example, let us take this word master. This word will be given in the question, and you will be asked to find the rank of the word This would be the question. Now let us look at it. I'll solve this question, the rank based questions in two methods. So we'll finally select the optimal method. So method 1. In method 1, what we do is, first step 1 is to write all the letters in the order in which they appear. That is, A comes first, followed by E, followed by M, followed by R, followed by S, followed by T. And in this second step, what we do is, say the word is starting with A, so 4, 5. So 5 letters would be there. These 5 can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. Similarly, it is starting with E. This can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. After this, the next letter would be M. So after M, the letter that is going to appear is A. So after A, the next letter that is going to appear is E. So the rest 3 can be arranged among, rest 3 letters can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Similarly, other words that are starting with M and the second letter being A, after E, the letter that would come is R. So this can the other 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. The next letter is S. So after S, we are going to get E. So the rest of the 2 can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Similarly, after S, if it is R, the next two letters can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. And after S, if it is T, there will be 2 more letters to be filled, and say the next letter is A and this is R. This can be done in only one way. So we need to add all these things to get the rank of the word master. Now, you need not follow this method. Let us look at another method which is much easier, method 2. So please listen to the steps carefully in this method, because you will be using this method only to solve all the questions based on rank. So in the step 1, simply write those letters, that is, write the word itself, MASTER, master. After writing this word master, you simply give the rank to each and every letter in this word. Say A, it is going to appear first, so that is why we will put the rank as 1. E is going to come next after A, so we will give it a rank 2. And M is going to come third, so we will give the rank 3. So we have given rank 1 here, rank 2 here, rank 3 here. For R, it will be rank 4, and for S, it will be rank 5, and finally it is T, it is rank 6. Now, after giving this rank, now step 2 would be, after giving the ranks to each and every letter in this word, you come from the right side and simply put factorial starting from 0. This is 1 factorial, this is 2 factorial, this is 3 factorial, this is 4 factorial, and this is 5 factorial. Now after putting these factorials, then the step 3 is, now in the step 3, you look at this rank that was given earlier in the step 1. Say rank to the letter M is third. So how many numbers are there to the right side of this letter M for whom the rank has been given as third, and those letters must have a rank less than 3. So obviously if this is 3, so there would be 2 letters whose two ranks that would be less than 3, and here we have given rank as 1, so there won't be any other rank less than 1 because the starting rank itself is 1. Similarly, here we have put 5, so to the right side of 5, are there any ranks that are lower than 5? So there are 2 ranks, 2 and 4. To the next comes 6. To the right side of 6, are there any ranks lower than 6? So there will be 2, and 2 is here. And to the right side of 2, are there any ranks lower than 2? No. So this is 0. And for 4, to the right side of 4, there are no digits, so no ranks are there, so it will be 0. Now after writing this, final answer would be, simply you multiply step 2 and step 3, each and every digit in step 2 and step 3, and add it. So this is 5 factorial into 2 plus 4 factorial into 0, that's why I am not writing. This is 3 factorial into 2 plus 2 factorial into 2. What are we going to get? We are going to get 240 here, plus 3 factorial is nothing but 6 into 2, this is 12, plus 2 into 2, this is 4. After multiplying this, finally add 1. So you are going to get 257, which is same as we have obtained here. This is also 257. This is 5 factorial into 2. 2 5 factorials are there, so we have got 5 factorial into 2, and 2 3 factorials are there, so that is why 3 factorial into 2, and then we had 2 factorials and 2 factorials here. Finally we are adding 1, so we are going to get the same answer. Step 4, you can write it as adding 1 to this 5 factorial into 2 plus 3 factorial into 2 and plus 2 factorial into 2. Step 4 is simply add 1 after multiplying the factorials in step 2 and the rank, then the digits in step 3. So this is the method. Now we will solve another question using only this method so that it will be very clear to you. Now the second question is, we are given the word second and we are asked to find out the rank. So step 1 is writing in this way. Here C is the first letter that will be appearing alphabetically if we go from A to Z, and then D is the second letter, E is the third letter, this N is the fourth letter, O is the fifth letter, and S is the sixth letter. So step 1 is completed, and step 2 is simply writing factorials from right side starting with 0 factorial and 5 factorial. Now in the third step, step number 3, what we are going to do is the ranks which we have given here, that is 6 3 1 5 4, So to the right side of 6, how many ranks are there that are less than 6? So there are 5 ranks. And if now coming to 3, well, how many ranks are less than 3 and that are to the right side of 3? There are 2. And C, since it is the first the rank is 1, there won't be any ranks less than 1 because rank starts from 1. And similarly for the 5, there would be, for this 5 there are only 2 ranks that are less than 5. For 4, there is only 1 rank that is less than 4, and 2 to the right of it there is nothing, so this is 0. Now simply multiply these two and add it. So it is 5 factorial into 5 plus 4 factorial into 2 plus 3 factorial into 0, that's why I'm not writing it, is 2 factorial into 2 plus 1 factorial into 1. So whatever answer you get here, add 1 to the end, so you will get the final answer. So we shall solve this. Here we are having 600, 5 factorial plus 5 factorial into 5, 4 into 2 is, this is 24 into 2, so it is 48, plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. So we have finally, this would be 648, 652, 653, and we need to add this 1 to this, so the final answer would be 654. Just you have to be careful because in the last step you are required to add 1 to this whatever we are after whatever the number which we are obtaining after step 3. So in the last step you should add 1. So please don't forget to add this one, otherwise the answer choices in the question would be 653, 654 in this way. So if you tick 653, you are going to get the wrong answer. So that's why please be careful when you are using this method. You need to add 1 in the end. Now here in the earlier questions we have seen that words were given like master and second. So in this way words were given and you are asked to find the rank. Now it can also be, the question can also be as follows: the numerical value of 35614 is. This is the question. So here this simple grammatical mistake, we need to find the rank of the numerical value 35614. This is the question. Now again, using the method to which we have solved the earlier questions, you need to solve this in the same way. So in the step 1 you simply write it down. So this is 3561614 and assign the rank. Rank here would be 1, this rank would be 2, this rank would be 3, this rank would be 4, this rank would be 5, because when you start the digits from 1, you are going to get the ranks as ranks in this way. Now we have got ranks. Step 2 is the easiest step. You simply put factorials from the right hand side. So starting with 0 factorials. This is 1 factorial, this is 2 factorial, this is 3 factorial, this is 4 factorial. Now in the step 3, here rank is 2. To the right side of 2, how many ranks are there that are less than 2? There is only 1 rank. And the rank here is 4. To the right side of 4, how many ranks are less than 4? There are 2 ranks that are less than 4. And here the rank is 5. To the right side of 5, how many ranks are less than 5? So there are 2 ranks. Here rank is 1. There won't be any rank less than 1 because rank starts from 1 itself. And the last digit to the last rank, that is 3. To the right of it there are no other ranks, that's why it is 0. Now you multiply these two. So we are getting 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 0. This is 16, so this is 24 plus this is 6 into 2, 12 plus 2 into 2, 4, and finally add 1 to it. So you will get the rank of the numerical value 35614. Now let us move to another question. Now till now we have solved the rank based questions for the words in which there are no repetition of letters. So if you take the word master, no letter is repeated. If you take the word second, no letter is repeated. Now we will find the rank of the word banana. Here letters are repeated. So how can we find out the rank of the word in which letters are repeated? So let us start this. So we'll write down the word here. Same step 1. Banana. So this would be 1, this would be 2, 1, 1, this would be 3. The ranks are given to each and every letter in based on their appearance. Suppose A is going to appear first, so rank is given as 1. B is second, so rank is given as 2, and then A, B, C, D, on so on, and N would come after A and B, so that's why rank is given as 3rd. Now step 2 is the easiest step. Simply go on writing the factors from 0 to from the right side. So 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial. Now please listen to the step 3 very carefully. There is a change in the step 3. So if we take this 2, how many ranks are there to the right of 2 that are less than 2? So there are 3 ranks because there are 3 ones. So 1, 1, 1. These are to the right of 2 and their ranks, that is 1, 1, 1 is less than 2. That is why we have written 3. Now after writing till here, this step is same as in the letters as in the words where the letters were not repeated. Now there is a change. After writing this 3, just divide that by to the right of 2 and including 2. So that means take these 6 things and you see how many things are repeated. So 1 is repeated 3 times, write 3 factorial, and 3 is repeated 2 times, write 2 factorial. That's it. You have to include 2 as well. So because we are starting with here, you have to include this number, this rank, as well as all the other ranks to the right of 2, and you need to divide this by how many repetitions are there. So this 3 factorial we have written because 1 is appearing 3 times and 3 is appearing 2 times. Oh, this is the only change from the earlier questions. So now let us go on solving this. Here the rank is 1. To the right of 1 there won't be any number, any rank less than 1, so that's why it is 0. Here the rank is 3. To the right of 3 there are, how many ranks are there that are less than 3? There are only 2 ranks because there are 2 ones. Now divided by, take these 4 things. Out of these 4 things, how many repetitions are there? 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because 1 is repeating 2 times and 3 is also repeating 2 times. Now similarly, to the right side of 1, when we to the right side of 1, are there any ranks less than 1? 0. To the right side of 3, are there ranks any ranks less than 3? There is only 1 rank. And to the right side of 1 there would be 0. Now we need to multiply this as we have done earlier. So this is 5 factorial into 3 divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, and this is 3 factorial plus this is plus 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 here, plus 1 factorial into 1. So if we calculate this 2 factorial will be out. So here we are going to get 3 from here, 1 from here, and this is 5 factorial. So we are going to have 5 into 4 and 3 factorial is gone here, so 2. So this is 10 into 550, and finally here it is 10 into 3, so this would be 30 instead of 50. So finally add 1 as we have done in earlier questions. This would give the rank for the word banana. Now let us look at another question. Now the word given is mirror. You need to find the rank of the word mirror. So step 1, I'll write this letter as it is and give the ranks to each and every letter of this word. So if we start from A, B, C, D, so this is the first letter that is going to appear. If we go from A to Z, so that's why rank for this I is given as 1. So the ranks are, next letter would be M, so rank is given as 2. The next letter would be O, rank is given as 3, and for R it would be 4, rank is 4. Now step 2, simply write down the factorials starting with 0. This is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial. Now step 3. Step 3, to the right of this rank 2, how many ranks are less than 2? So there is only one rank, divided by, include this 2, take all this 6 together, and how many things are repeating? This is 3 factorial, because there are 3 4s that are coming, so that's why it is 3 factorial. Now moving to the next rank, that is rank 1. Rank 1, to the right of it there is the lowest rank, so there won't be any ranks less than 1, so we are going to put a 0 here. And rank 4, side of 4 there is 3, so 1 rank is less than 4, that is 3, and include all these 4. So how many things are repeated? 3 factorial. Similarly for this, to the right side of 4, this 4, to the right side of 4 there is 3, so there is 1 that is less than 4. So how many are repeated if we take these 3 including this number, which this rank, so there will be 2 factorial. Now add all these things. This is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, plus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, plus 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. After multiplying these two, so this would be 120 by 6, so this is 20 plus 1 plus 1, and finally we need to add another 1, so we are going to get the rank as 23. This is the final answer.